Huy, alam nyo, I'm sorry. Ngayon ko lang na-realize, yun palang Amazon natin na level 3 na may internship na class for this coming Saturday. Nag-close na siya, hindi ko na-announce. So, April na yung open. Kasi yung form guys natin, automatic magko-close siya pag na-fill na yung spots available for that class. And usually, I try my best to keep up with all of the classes kung kailan sila magko-close para makapag-send ako ng announcement. Unfortunately, nag-close yung Amazon level 3 nang hindi ko namamalayan, hindi ako nakapag-send ng announcement. Anyway, ang ginawa namin is inopen na lang namin. Alam nyo, hindi to regular na class. Kasi by demand class lang siya. But what we did was, so inopen na lang namin yung level, yung Amazon level 3 for the April class. Nakatingnan ko yung schedule ha. For the April class, ang next na natin is April 14 and 15. 8 a.m. till 12 noon siya. So, dalawang classes siya na weekends. So, 8 a.m. till 12 noon. 999 pesos lang tong class na to. This is Amazon level 3 na may kasamang 2 weeks na internship before pa yung final activity, before pa yung mock interview, which is your one-on-one with me, which is practice interview and then application book session. If you guys wanna enroll, click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Or kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. For Facebook page naman, i-check nyo lang yung caption. And then click on Amazon level 3. May form yan. If i-fill out ninyo, nandyan na rin yung babayaran ninyo kung saan nyo ipapadala yung bayad. Pagkatapos, after i-verify, siguro mga 2 to 3 business days, i-verify ni accounting yung payment ninyo, you guys will receive a Calendly invite. So, malalaman nyo na lahat ng details. Plus, we also add in there yung mga pre-training materials na pwede ninyong pag-aralan, lalo na kung wala kayong experience. And guys, fair warning ha, ang bilis mapuno ng class neto. Hindi ko alam kung kakayanin namin na gawin tong regular class, but I'll try. But ang bilis niyang mapuno. So, puno na yung March class. And anong petsa pala ngayon? March 15. So, baka mamaya, hindi pa tayo pumapalo ng next week, puno na siya. Mag-enroll na lang kayo. And then, let me know if you guys have any questions about our trainings. Try kong sagutin kagad. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home. Chismis, bye! Thank you so much po sa support ninyo sa mga training classes namin. Alam nyo na, lang, side note lang ha, sobrang natutulungan neto yung mga mentors natin. Kasi akala nyo, kayo lang yung tinutulungan namin through these classes. But also, nakakatulong to kasi dagdag kabuhayan dito sa mga mentors, diba? Yun lang, bye!